losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Oppo A6 Pro just dropped 2 days ago, and the big highlight is its full waterproof design. In today's video, I'm unboxing it and sharing my very first impressions. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. So let's crack open the box. Right on top, we've got the phone itself. Let's set it aside for now and check out the accessories inside. There's an 80-watt fast charging adapter, a Type-C cable, and of course, the SIM ejector tool. Now back to the phone. Take a look at this. The color on the back panel looks stunning. It has this premium, luxurious vibe. Oppo calls this shade flowing water, and honestly, the name fits perfectly. It almost feels like it brings good luck, right? Alright, let's power it up. The Oppo A6 Pro is running ColorOS, and for the first time, Oppo has brought the smooth twin-engine technology from their flagship models down to the A series. Just look at this animation. It feels super fluid. Even with loads of apps installed, performance is buttery smooth. Plus, with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking and background app management are rock solid. Now let's talk about the signature feature of the A series. Durability. The A6 Pro carries that legacy forward with full waterproofing and drop protection. It's rated IP69, IP68, and IP66, which means whether it splashes, spills, or even full submersion, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Daily water exposure? No worries at all. And when it comes to drop resistance, Oppo has used a high-strength aviation-grade alloy frame combined with their golden shield glass. Together, this creates a diamond-strong structure that's tough enough for everyday bumps, table drops, and even those accidental moments. Honestly, it feels built like a tank. So that's the unboxing of the Oppo A6 Pro. Practical, reliable, and packed with durability. Oppo has really delivered with this one. So what are your thoughts on this device? Which feature stands out as your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech videos and follow me on X for the latest tech updates and deals. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.